It's yet another beautiful day in Noarlunga. But today it's all about the dust extractor. I've now finished almost finished enough. So there's the outlet. So no filter, no cyclone, just an outlet. So that's delicately balanced so that when the dust extractor turns on, sorry about the shaky, when the dust extractor turns on, outlet opens up, and when the dust extractor turns off, it closes up. That's to prevent insects, airtail from getting into the outlet. So I'm on a 34-acre farm here. I've got a neighbour down that way, about 500 metres away. Another one over there, about 600-700. Another one over there, over the hill there. He's about 2.5 kilometres away. And then I've got Bernie down the bottom there, who's about 500 metres away, something like that. So yeah, I've got nobody within cooee of this place, so I figure that I'll dump it on the ground here, dump all the dust on the ground, and if it piles up too much, I'll just take the tractor and dump it somewhere else. But it's only wood shavings anyway, so that doesn't matter. It's going to be quite warm today, going to be in the mid-30s, so approaching the old ton. But this is where it starts, in here. There's a bit of strobing with the new lights. It's a bit annoying. It strobes with the frame rate of the iPhone, depending on the actual frame rate. I should look at the frame rate, I suppose. Anyway, it's 6 inch. 6 inch goes outside, 6 inch comes in here. 6 inch breaks away, 4 inch here. There's an outlet there for a future sweep. 6 inch, all the way along there, and there it breaks down to 4 inch again. So I've got 6 inch going most of the places, and then 4 goes down to all of the equipment. These are the valves I'm using. They're ball valves, or blast gates, as they say in the classics. Mine are manual. You can automate them with a little device that connects on the side here, but I haven't bothered. I mean, I don't care. I just operate them manually. The amount of work that I do, my son's automated all of his, but mine are all manual. I'll connect the guy, a video to the guy who designed them in down below. He sells the files, so we bought a set of files and printed them. My son's automated all of his, but mine are all manual. So this comes out 3 ways down here, into the jointer here, into the thicknesser, and that's going to go on a little cupboard to the side here, probably on wheels, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, that's coming out there. That's going to come out there, down there. So that's all done, and the table saws come out here. I've got a wire under there. One comes along here to that one, and the other one comes along here to that table saw there. The sweep I'm going to use is here, but I'm reorganising all the way along there, and putting a miter station there, and going to take that down. All of these little parts, things, they're going to go into cupboards over the miter station along here, and the drill press is going to come up the end of the miter station here, and all the sanding stuff is going to go along here. I might take off an outlet to the Sanders and to the Mitre Station drill press et al. No, I haven't decided yet. Might do something like that. But, oh, excuse me, I'm trying to sneeze. But these are the valves. They 3D print in several parts. The mechanism here with a little bearing in there. Mechanism here with a little bearing in there. There are additional parts here if you want to automate. And they're bolted together with 6mm screws. And open and close quite nicely. So very nice indeed. Yeah, quite pleased with that. So that's good. Oh yeah, I mentioned this before. This is my router table. It uses the same drawer system. I've got to make some more drawers for this. I'll be starting on that soon. I'll be making a whole heap of drawers first, and then because I've got too many sheet goods. So the sheet good trolley is all loaded up with sheet goods at the moment, and I've got sheet goods also in the other room in one of the offices. So they're all over the place. So I want to get rid of them, and they're for the drawers. So if I make a whole heap of drawers, it'll reduce the load of sheet goods, and I'll be able to make the cupboards a little bit more easily, more convenient. So yeah, that's the state of play. So I'm really pleased with that. Oh, you may wonder why that's so filthy. Long story. It's about that came from the old shed, and it's all to do with animals. That's all I'll say about that. But apart from that, yeah, it's all good.